In this video, I'll show you how to animate a line graph inside DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. Start by selecting your clip on the timeline, then open the Fusion page. Inside Fusion, press Shift and Space to bring up the Select Tool window. Type Paint in the search bar and click Add. In the Paint Nodes Inspector, switch the stroke type to Polyline Stroke. Now, click directly in the viewer to plot several points and create your line. You can hold Ctrl while clicking to make straight segments if needed. Once your line is ready, open the Stroke Controls section. Look for the Right On controls. These determine where your line starts and ends over time. Drag the second Right On dot all the way to the left so your line is invisible, and then click the keyframe button next to it. Move your playhead forward a few seconds on the timeline. Now, drag that same Right On dot to the right until the entire line is visible. You've just animated your line drawing itself on screen. To customize the appearance, open the Apply Controls section in the inspector. Click the color box to choose any color you want for the line. You can also adjust the brush size or softness if you'd like a thicker or smoother look. That's it! Your animated line graph is ready. You can now connect this with other elements like text or backgrounds to build full animated charts right inside Fusion.